If your store-bought marshmallows look like tiny pillows, you're missing the cloud. If your hot chocolate needs a hug, you're missing homemade marshmallows. If your snacks crave nostalgia, you're about to fix that. Bloom 3 packets of gelatin in a small bowl. Use half a cup of cold water and let it sit. In a saucepan, add half a cup of water. Add 1.5 cups of sugar to the pan. Add 1 cup of corn syrup and stir. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Heat until dissolved and bring mixture to 240 degrees, soft ball stage. With the mixer on low speed, keep it running. Slowly pour the hot syrup into the bloomed gelatin. Now whip on high for 10 to 12 minutes until glossy and tripled. Add 1 tablespoon vanilla in the last minute of whipping. Spread into a greased, powdered sugar cornstarch, dusted 9x13 pan. Dust the top with powdered sugar and cornstarch. Let the marshmallows set for 6 hours or overnight. Cut into squares using a greased knife. Toss the pieces in the powdered sugar mix to coat. Enjoy immediately or share with friends. Dip in melted chocolate for an extra decadent treat. Swap peppermint for a seasonal twist.